If you want to build websites or web apps without programming, Lovable AI is one of the easiest AI tools to start with. First, open the Lovable AI website. Click Sign Up if you're new. You can create an account using your Google account, GitHub account, or email, depending on the options available. If you already have an account, simply click Login and sign in with the same method you used during registration. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see a prompt box. This is where the magic happens. Instead of writing a short request like, make a website, be very specific. For example, type, create a modern coffee shop website with a homepage, menu page, online reservation form, contact section, responsive design, and a dark brown color theme. The more details you include about colors, layout, features, and style, the better the result. Click Generate, and Lovable AI will start building your project automatically. Within a few moments, you'll get a working web app with a professional design, navigation, and interactive elements. Now review the generated app carefully. If you want to change anything, don't start over. Simply tell the AI what you want. For example, you can say, change the background to black, add a pricing page, or make the buttons rounded. Lovable AI updates your project based on your instructions, making editing incredibly fast. Once you're happy with the result, preview the app to test how it looks on desktop and mobile. If everything works correctly, you can publish or export your project, depending on the features available in your account. One pro tip: treat Lovable AI like a real developer. Instead of giving one long prompt, improve your project step by step. This usually produces cleaner designs and better functionality. That's how easy it is to build a web app using Lovable AI, even if you've never written a single line of code. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments what kind of app you want to build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.